In this video, I'm going to show you how to get pet eggs in Grow A Garden in Roblox. So the first thing you want to do is walk up to a part where you were once able to see the quest giver. So this is basically over here next to the gear shop, and as you can see over here, there are now pet eggs. Now to get the pet eggs, you can simply click on any of these common eggs over here. Currently there's only 3 common available, but I do believe that of course there's different rarities, so if you come up here, just like with the seeds, you can get lucky and get a legendary or one of the legendary eggs. So over here, you can just click on any egg and it will tell you what you can get. So over here, you can get a dog, a bunny, or a golden lab, and every single one has a 30% chance to actually be obtained. So you can buy them for 50,000 of the shekels in-game currency. Click on that, and there we go. You then get your egg. So this is the common egg. As you can see, there's now no stock. Let me just buy all of these. Actually, I'm just gonna leave this one over there. Let me go to the garden, and then I will just look for the egg. So let me see where I have it. There we go. You will have one common egg, and then you can just simply go anywhere inside your garden, place it down, and it says you can only place this on your farm. So if it says that you can place this, there we go, like this, okay, inside a lot, and then after 10 minutes the egg will hatch, and then you'll see which animal you actually got. So that's pretty much it. That's how to get pet eggs in Grow A Garden in Roblox. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.